Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can get data from Airtable. So as you can see, I have this base here and I have a lot of views, a grid view, Kanban, calendar and calendar too. So if I want to import data, I can do that by pressing this import button, and I can add from an other Airtable base CSV file calendar. But the way you get data or you export data in Airtable, it is very simple. So if you want to export a view, a specific view, if I want to export this grid view, or let's say this AAA view, I have to click here, and then I have to click on the top. I have to click this option, and then I get the option. Wait a minute. I click here, and then I click here, and I get the option to download the CSV file. I press this option, and I get data from Airtable. Or what you can do is you can print this view using Airtable. So this way you can get the data from Airtable in hard copy. Another way to get the entire base is by pressing this share and sync button, and it will give you a link. You can copy this link and you can then share this link with anybody, and they will be able to access this Airtable base. You can choose the link settings, and you can sync to another base. You can embed this view on your website as well. So but this is a different thing. It will give you an embed code that you will then enter on your website. So this is a couple of ways you can get data from Airtable. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.